Good morning and welcome to Thursday of week 5 of your Physics 5 a day, and we're kicking off this morning with the atomic mass unit, or to give it its full title, the unified atomic mass unit. That's what it's called on your formula sheet. Okay, so you might think, oh no, not another new unit, but this one is to do with the masses of protons and neutrons, and in kilograms those are very small numbers, so it is useful to have a new unit here. Allow me to convince you. So here is the nucleus of a carbon-12 atom. It's got 6 protons and also 6 neutrons. So imagine you take the mass of that nucleus and you divide it by 12. That's going to give you the average mass of a proton or a neutron inside that nucleus. And it's this number in kilograms, and that is defined as 1 atomic mass unit. So the way we've defined it there, that means that the mass of a carbon-12 nucleus is exactly 12U. Now, if you look up other elements, you'll find, for example, there's nitrogen-14, so the mass of a nitrogen-14 nucleus is very nearly 14U, and the mass of an oxygen-16 nucleus is very nearly 16U. Okay, so the atomic mass unit, the average mass, roughly speaking, of a proton or neutron inside the nucleus. Now, if you look at your formula sheet, you will find these values for the proton rest mass and neutron rest mass. Now, these are the masses of a proton and a neutron when they're outside the nucleus. So a proton on its own has that mass, and a neutron on its own has that mass. And you'll notice that if you average these, you do not get that. And so that leads us nicely onto our next video today on binding energy.